Man, I have to say, Rich Mountain Lookout did not disappoint. That is perhaps one of the best lookouts I have ever been at. It's got one of the best views. We are climbing now. Alright, so this road is brand new to me. I've never been on Hurricane Gap before. So I am in full-on adventure mode now. And right away we have some nice washouts. Hope this isn't a Rocky Top repeat. Actually, I can handle the rocks. I just hope there are no mud holes. That's the one thing. Oh man, I have nightmares about Big Phil. Oh man, these handlebar risers make standing up so much easier. Ah, there's a mud hole. We ain't getting in it, I know that much. So I think we're riding right along the top of a ridge here. Just past those trees there, you can see blue sky. So it looks like it must drop off over the side of that hill. Okay, so to the right here, this is called Shad Road. Yeah. So I know I don't want to do it because I could tell just by looking at it that it's actually, I looked at the description on Onyx. This road looked to be actually worse than Big Phil. So I'm not even interested in that. Now, at least right now. During the summer, once it starts to dry out a little bit, I might come over here and go down that road a little ways, just to see, you know, how far I can go, and see what I can see on that road. But right now, I'm not even interested in that because I've had all of the mud holes that I'm interested in for a while. It wasn't even getting the bike stuck. Well, I mean, that was bad. It was the mess I had to clean up when I got home. I mean, because once you get mud and everything, you've got to thoroughly clean everything out. And so I was taking covers off of the bike, and washing, and then I had to clean and lube the chain. And I mean, that mud, the chain was caked in mud because it was, you know, the water came up so high on the side of the bike there. And so it took me a while to get my chain clean again, to where it felt like it didn't have any grit in it when you spun the sprocket. So I don't want to go through that again. That's not fun. It's not worth the pain. Very cool road, and I have never been down it. I should have come down this road a long time ago. I hate marbles. Let's see, can I ease by right here? Can I get in it? Oh, I did. Alright, so I don't know what this is. This Little Paint Creek is that road. Not it. Let's pull over here. This could be just this could be this camping area, maybe. Looks like it just makes a circle. So this is probably just a little camping area in here. Yep. Yeah, it just makes a circle, so that's what it is. Just a little camping area. I'm gonna run right here across the road real quick. But I have a feeling that's the same thing. I have a feeling that's camping as well. Yeah, it's just little. This is just one campsite, actually. Ooh, it's muddy. So where does this little Paint Creek go, I wonder? Look here. Oh wow, it goes a ways. Holy cow. And then it just ends. Oh, I don't have time to do this today, but it's really long. Okay, because I want to go over here to this rich mountain lookout. So I don't have time to do that. So I'll come back another time. and I'll do that because I want to get to Rich Mountain Lookout. And my stomach is growling because it wants some food. So I'll come back another day and do that Little Paint Creek. Rich Mountain Lookout was one of the main things I wanted to check out along this route. So I don't want to do anything that's going to mess up my chances of being able to go up there and see that. So these little other offshoots of roads, I'll have to come back later and check out. Hello?
Any Dunkin' Donuts on the way?
Yeah, you got a little ways to go before you find a Dunkin's. Yeah, you have a good one. It's going to come out, if you stay on it, it'll come out in Houston Valley eventually. And so if you take a left, it'll take you back to 2570. And then if you take a right, I believe it's going to come out on Asheville Highway. Yeah, you guys have fun. Okay, I'm not gonna lie, I would not have a minivan on this road. I guarantee you they came up from the other side, which is probably in a lot better shape than it is going out that way. I mean, they can make it if they're careful. Alright, we are on Rich Mountain Road, and we are headed to Rich Mountain Lookout. Which is, I bet, where they've been. I think we're going to be rewarded with a view. How you doing? Pretty good. Beautiful up here, isn't it?
Super nice today.
Here and see what there is to see. Wow. Are you guys doing the AT? No way.
Yeah.
Man, that's awesome.
Yeah. This is day, what, 26, I think.
Okay. So y'all came across Max Patch already?
Oh, yeah, beautiful.
Yeah.
Super.
It's another pretty place.
It's warm. Actually, that day, I think it was like 82 degrees.
Yeah.
It was warm.
I was up there about 2 weeks ago, and there was about 3 inches of snow on the ground. So what's y'all's trail names?
Sticker for you.
Awesome. Yeah, I'll take one.
That's for people that recognize me. This one.
So you got a YouTube channel?
I do.
Cool.
I've got a few thousand subscribers, about 10,000.
That's awesome.
This way you'll remember me. Actually, this is from the AT. This way you've got it's Metro on the move.
Metro on the move, okay. Man, good luck, guys. It's a pleasure to meet y'all. All right, Rich Mountain Fire Tower. Man, you can't beat these views. This might actually be the best view of anywhere in the area. This is even better than Meadow Creek, I think. And Meadow Creek has always been one of my favorite places. This is much more stunning, as Nora Lee from Itchy Boots would say.
Good.
Those Lone Peaks,
Yeah, these are the 8s.
those are the 8s. I got the 6s. I think the 6s I think were some of the best ones they made.
Yeah, I got 2 pairs of the 9s. I broke those in or whatever. And like, one of the things that was real nice is they brought back the little gator ring,
Yeah.
so you can strap on. Because I've had this more so with the left shoe where, you know, it's the lace and it's just loose, so
Yeah.
like sometimes it'll just come off.
Yeah,
It just gets annoying.
yeah, those are 6s you have on, aren't they?
Yeah, these are 6s.
Yeah, that's I have that same exact shoe.
I've got 300 miles on my 9s, and I'm like, feeling the soles are going a little soft on them. So
Yeah.
I figured, I'll switch over to the 6s and see, you know, kind of
Yeah.
what fresh shoes feel like coming in. And maybe
Yeah.
it was like a big difference. I'm like,
Yeah,
oh,
the
man,
6s were
cushies.
my first pair of Lone Peaks. And then I got the 2 pairs of the 9s. I'm like, I felt like I could see noticeable changes. Like, I felt like, you know, the up here was wider and stuff like
So
that.
do you like the 9s better?
Yeah, probably. You know, one of the big reasons is just they brought back that
Yeah.
gator ring.
Yeah.
And it wouldn't be as big of a deal if that just didn't come loose. But
Yeah, I got you. And I've heard that the soles wear out really quickly on the Lone
I
Peaks.
can see that.
Which was 40.
Those are the 9s right there.
When you come out
Yeah.
of Smokies.
They're excellent.
I got
And you like them better than? Have you ever had 6s?
No, I was Olympus before this.
Okay.
But I had the 5s, the 4.5s and 5s.
Okay. Good luck, guys. Enjoy. Nice to meet you. Well, that was way cool. It's always cool to meet folks like that. No kidding, hiking the Appalachian Trail has always been kind of a dream of mine. So it's cool to meet some hikers, be able to do a little hike talk. Man, that's so tempting. I am tempted to go that hill, but I'm also starving. So I don't think I'm going to. I'm hungry. And I don't want to be hurt and hungry. That'd be bad. Man, I have to say, Rich Mountain Lookout did not disappoint. That is perhaps one of the best lookouts I have ever been at. It's got one of the best views. Much better. Like, I like Meadow Creek. I even think it's better than Klingman's Dome. Although Klingman's Dome, I know it's one of the highest points in the Smokies. Still, the view from up here was amazing. Snowbird is good, but not as good as this. Max Patch is good, not as good as this. This is, no kidding, this takes the cake. Rich Mountain. Promise you, I'll be back here at some point. And this would be the place to come watch a sunset. Meteor shower. Once again, I'll say something to you that I said a couple of weeks ago. These cameras do not do the steepness of these little roads justice, because they are really steep. So here to the left, that is Shad Road again. That's where the other end of it comes out. And that's the road that has all of the, supposed to be some pretty deep water holes on it that I'm not interested in. And that's where we came from. This is where we're going. Man, there are so many little offshoot roads off of this. I just don't have time to check them out. But there was another one that I would have loved to go on up. But I am definitely going to be back over here when I have more time to ride. Yeah, so if those people in that van came up this way, they're in for a surprise as they're going down the other side, because the other side is nothing like this. Well, this is where I'm going to end the video. Thank you for tuning in. That was a great ride. And man, I will definitely be back to do that one again. And take some of those offshoots just to check them out. But I'll be coming down into Hot Springs here in just a minute. I had planned to stop here for lunch, but it doesn't look like I'm going to have time. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and tune in next time. I'm trying to post videos now every Monday. So, yeah, if you'll tune back in next Monday, hopefully I'll have another one for you. And again, thanks for watching, and go out and have your own adventure. And I'll see you next time. Bye.